How to fix Vrbo payment not released to host. So in here, the very first thing that you guys should do is check your payout schedule. Note that the payout release after one business day after the guest checks in. It takes about 3 to 5 days to hit the bank account, so make sure to check that payout and schedule, right? So after doing that, another thing that you need to do is verify your bank details. You can actually go to your own dashboard on your Vrbo, and then from your dashboard get into account settings, and then from there you'll get the option of banking details. Tap on banking details, then you'll be able to see the option of verified. So if your status is verified, then you would know that your bank details were actually verified, so you would know that that is not the issue. But if you are not verified, then you would know that that is the exact issue, right? So another thing that you can do is check your tax or identity verification. You can complete all of the pending 999 or tax forms under the tax settings on your account, and after doing all of these, if still does not work, then lastly try to contact your owner support. Reach out to Vrbo support via your owner center if payout is flagged or held, and from there I'm pretty sure you will be able to fix your Vrbo payment not being released to host.